Coco! Coco, happy birthday! It's your birthday, girl! Hey, Coco, eat your food. Go ahead, eat your cake. Eat your cake. She's not going to eat the whole thing, FYI. We're just letting her lick a little bit and then... What's up, baby? Happy birthday! Reese, you want a bite? Reese's, you want a bite, baby? Ooh, yummy. Go ahead, Coco.
Come here, Coco.
Go ahead, Coco.
Eat.
Honey, go eat your food. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Look at my little baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Is that a good cake? It's a cake just for doggies. And we'll put the recipe at the end of this video. Is that good? Is that good, little girl? Is that good? She's loving it. That's yogurt and peanut butter as the frosting. Reese, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. There you go. Come here. Go ahead.
Eat.
Good job, Jessica.
Jessica, my 11-year-old, made the cake. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Are you guys going to dig into it? Go ahead, Coco. Eat it.
Here, she doesn't know she can get the pieces.
Okay. Ooh, yummy, yummies. Did she inhale it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's funny. So Jessie, why don't you tell me a little bit about what it is? Okay, so basically,
Get the peanut butter delight.
it's called a dog birthday cake recipe, and it's called Peanut Butter Delight. It's 1 cup of white or whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1 egg. So the directions are to preheat the oven to 350, mix together the flour and baking soda, add remaining ingredients and mix well, pour into a ring mold spring with nonstick spray for 40 minutes, which we obviously didn't do, we just did a cake pan. Frost this cake with low-fat cottage cheese, or like in our situation, we did a 1/4 cup of peanut butter and 1 small single serving of non-fat vanilla yogurt, and we mixed it up, spread it over the cake, and then put carrots on top. Let's see, Reese's, are you going to eat? Reese. Oh, Reese's likes the carrots.
Eat, Coco, eat.
She might not be hungry. As she's pregnant, she's been having a little morning sickness, a little gagging and stuff. But she's a good girl. Huh, precious. So happy birthday, Coco. And she wants to say hi to all of her puppies out there. We're going to set up a play date soon. Yummy, yummy. And at the end of the video, we'll go ahead in the information area. We'll post written information on the recipe. All right. Coco, say goodbye, Coco.
Coco.
Happy birthday, Coco. Oh, dear precious. Is that a good cake, lovies? I love you, Coco. Love you, Coco. Oh, it's a good cake.